All right, United States General Accounting Office report of the Congressional requesters high skill training grants. The HB1 visa meets the specific workforce needs, but at varying skill levels. Appendix. Let's see. Key federal programs initiatives with high skill competent. All right. Expand this. The key federal programs initiatives, the high skill component of the following programs initiatives were identified having at least a component that addresses the need for high skill following the ways of training, education, scholarship, recruitment, high school fields, efforts with and among an agency's resource information related to high skill areas. There's a list. The list is not comprehensive but serves as a illustration of various efforts of resources for the current exist. Secondary initiatives, 21st century workforce initiative means to ensure that all Americans are fulfilling financial rewarding a career as they aspire to make no work to get left behind in the limitless potential of the dynamic global economy of the millennium. Office of the 21st Century Workforce, created by the Executive Order of June 20th, 2001, together disseminate information relating to the workforce, conducting, submitting conferences and meetings, the other appropriate forms. The executive order also established by the President and Council of 21st Century Work to provide information advised in issues of affecting 21st century workforce. A memorandum of understanding is under the development between the Department of Labor, the Department of Health and Human Services to address is such issues as nursing shortage, employing training administration, ETA Office of Policy and Procedure. The HBO and Technical Skills Granting provides a grant for technical skill training of the employed, unemployed individuals' occupation that are in an employer demand. The grants are provided by the local workforce investment board, private industries councils, regional consortia, and partnership to consist with at least two businesses or businesses related to nonprofit organization. The ETA Office of Apprenticeship Training and Employer and Labor Services. The Information Technology Industry Outreach and Initiative grants awarded the Computer Technology Industrial Action Association of May 2001, ending in December 2002, to expand the apprenticeship of the IT occupational areas. This includes developing testing of the IT apprenticeship model in 5 pilot sites, creating a structure to the market of the IT apprenticeship. The ETA Office, the worksite ETA, the Employee Training Administration of the Office of Work Security and Division of One Stop Operations Service of One Stop Office of the ETA National Regional Issue Offices for issues related on the Workforce Investment Act. It provided the support to the state local offices of the building One Stop systems for the fosters partnership workforce issues. Federal agencies such as Department of Education, Department of Health, or Human Services, Department of Housing and Urban Development. The Employing Training Administration of Office of Adult Services, the Workforce Investment Act of Adult Dislocated Worker Programs provide 3 levels of service to adult 18-year-olds. The service includes core services, job search, and placement assistance, incentive, comprehensive assessment and case management, etc., and training services, occupational skill training, and skill upgrading. The Employment Training Administration Office of Adult Services discretionary grants to relate to the HB1 skill grants. The Information Technology Association of the American grant conducted by the conducted a society of targeted activities to inform the IT companies about the role of the Workforce Investment Board of the local community. Skill shortages, partnerships, training, the system board building demonstrating board program awarded the grants of 11 states, District of Columbia to establish a regional partnership, respond to the employers identified in skills shortages. Minority college university workforce partnerships training strategies to address the skill shortage demonstrates the program toward award grants of 13 minority colleges, universities developing new system. The training works to the high skilled jobs areas where companies are facing labor shortages. Incumbent dislocated work skill shortage 2 demonstrates the program awarded the grants 19 committee to create a project in the industrial consortia to upgrade current works, to design, adapt the training curricula in skill shortage occupational areas, and recruit, retraining workers in the area. The Employment Training Administration Office of Technology Information Services, occupational information network database accessible for any of the web browsers that contains comprehensive information of the requirements for the competencies. The National Science Foundation Director of the Education and Human Resources, EHR Division of Undergraduate Education, Computer Science, Engineering, Mathematics, Scholarship, granted the post-secondary distribute the funds as scholarship adequately talented low-income students in computer science, computer technology, engineering technology, and mathematics. Program the gender equity science, mathematics, engineering technology grants supported the research demonstrated disseminating projects broadening the participation of the girls, young women in science, mathematics, engineering technology education addresses middle school, high school, undergraduate education, science, technology, engineering, mathematics, talent, expansion, planning the pilot grants to academic institutions, increasing the number of the students using the citizen for permanent residence, pursuing the receiving association with the baccalaureate degree in science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. The Noyes Scholarship Supplements Institution of the Higher Education led to the partner with the National Science Foundation and can receive supplemental funding of the scholarship to encourage in science, engineering, mathematics major professionals to become K-12 mathematics and science teachers. The Education and Human Resource Director, the Education and Human Resource Divisions of Undergraduate Education and Elementary, Secondary, and Informal Education, Advanced Technology Education grants to promote the improvement of technical education, undergraduate, secondary school levels in support of curriculum development, preparation, professional development, and college faculty, the secondary school internships, the final experience of the faculty, teachers, and students, and other activities. Technology Administration Office of Technology Policy National Media the Technology Presidential Award individuals, teams, companies, and accomplishments of the innovation development commercialization mediums of the technology first awarded in 1985. Review of the study of the high tech workforce training program of the United States authorized in the American President's 21st Century Act of 2000. Workforce reports the Digital Workforce Office for Digital Workforce Building Infotech skill at speed innovation reporting demand of the high skilled information technology workers August 2000 updated in digital workforce data ratings. The Go For It website remains to provide the information on the IT education employment and training programs. The Get Tech Partnership Development Department of Commerce of Office of Technology Policy National Association Manufacturer Center of the Workforce Success to encourage young people, particularly in middle school, to prepare for careers mathematics and science and technology. The the Technical Administration of the National Institute of Standards of Technology, the Manufacturer Extension Partnership Nationwide Network for not-for-profit centers of 400 locations nationwide to provide assistance with small, medium-sized manufacturers. Its assistance includes the obtaining of the new equipment. These centers may provide training in new equipment, economic development assistance, economic development and administrative. The technology-led economic development website that identifies federal, state, local initiatives related to technology-led economic development. Office of Vocational Education, Vocational and Adult Education, OVA. Preparing America's Future Initiative to provide the framework of the connecting the OVE Office of Vocational Education, Office of Vocational and Adult Education activities to support education reform, prepare 21st century workforce. The efforts to organize these teams: high school excellency teams, community technical college teams, adult learning, develop coherent strategies for preparing America's future, the implementations of the policy of the practices. Carl D. Perkins Vocational Technical Education Act amendments to the 1998 and provides federal funding of the vocational technical education and serves the youth and adults. The major funding of the awarded is the grant state education of the state basic grants for the tech prep plan. Career clusters established 16 board career clusters that consist of entry level to professional level occupations and broad industry. Each cluster includes academic, technical skills, and knowledge needed for further education and careers. The IT Career Cluster Initiative Partnership, the Education Development and Center Information Technical Association America, the National Alliance of the Business, and to create a national model of the Career Cluster curricular framework of the IT careers. The initiative sponsored Department of Education, National School of the Workforce, the Community Technology Center for the programs, grants to create the expanded Community Technology Centers to provide disadvantaged residents, economical distress, urban, rural communities access to information technology and related technology. Health and Resource Services Administration, Department of Health and Human Resources Administration, the Health and Resource Service Administration grants to address emerging nurses shortage, advanced education nursing training grants, advanced nursing training, anesthesias training grants, grant nursing knowledge experience and long-term course. Long-term care facility grants, nursing faculty development and genetics Goretix Grant Cooperative Agreement for the Health Workforce Research available for state and local government health provision, schools and schools, nursing, academic health centers, community-based health facilities, other public and private nonprofit entities, including health-based organizations to conduct research to continue and one development information describing the current status of a health and profession analysis of the fundamental health of the workforce related issue, national skills standards and board information communications technology volunteer partnership, sponsoring research development and skill standards of the potential alignment and industrial certification in the information technology and telecommunications sector. Appendix 7 comments from the Department of Labor.